Hey, you want to know what the fastest way to stay stuck is? Train without feedback. If you've ever followed a program and thought, am I doing this right? You're not alone. That tiny bit of doubt, that's what stalls progress and breeds frustration. Because following a plan without expert feedback is like trying to drive cross country without a map. You might be moving, but you've got no idea if you're heading in the right direction. Programming alone doesn't deliver results. Precision does. And precision comes from feedback. At Unity Gym, we don't just give you a great workout format, we coach every rep. You just post a video, ask a question, or hit a roadblock, and you get real feedback from an expert within 24 hours. No delays, no guesswork, no getting stuck. That's how our tribe make faster gains with fewer mistakes. Because they're not just following a plan, they're following a plan with a coach in their corner. So, step one, just record a set. Film yourself performing any exercise you want feedback on. Bench press, pull up, squat, deadlift, you choose. Step two is to upload it to the app. So inside the UMS coaching app, you upload your video with one tap. No emailing, no booking, no waiting for a Zoom call. And step three, you get personalized feedback within 24 hours. One of our expert coaches will review your video and record their feedback using a screen share and voiceover. So you see exactly what's working and what needs improvement. It's like watching your own personal coaching session on your schedule. Every rep gets better, every session moves you forward, and every week brings real progress. This is technique optimization, and it's how you go from good to great. It's personalized corrections, no generic advice, no vague tips. You get targeted cues based on your body, your mobility, and your mechanics. You get faster strength and flexibility gains, because when every rep is clean and controlled and biomechanically sound, you get stronger, faster, and your flexibility improves with less effort. It's also for injury prevention, so we catch red flags before they become problems, and that means fewer setbacks and no time on the sidelines. And it's really time-efficient coaching. There's no need to schedule appointments or drive to the gym. You get professional feedback anywhere in the world in 24 hours. So you eliminate guesswork and you'll never again wonder, am I doing this right? You'll know. And when you know, you grow. Check out this testimonial from Pavel, a spine surgeon in Poland. I've been a spine surgeon for over 20 years. For most of that time, I believed the deadlift was a dangerous exercise. After a year training with the UMS, my view has completely changed. The deadlift isn't the problem. Poor technique is. When performed with proper form, the deadlift becomes one of the most important exercises for preventing spine surgery. What once seemed unsafe to me is now essential for building a strong, flexible, and resilient body. You see, strength training without correct technique is like driving a race car with bald tires. Sure, you might go fast, but sooner or later you're going to crash. Proper technique increases power, improves mobility, reduces wear and tear, and it makes every rep count. That's why UMS coaching works when so many others fail. We don't just give you a plan, we give you real feedback, and we make sure you execute with precision. And we do it faster and more personally than anyone else in the industry. Dialing in your technique is how you unlock true strength without pain. All right, now it's time to move to the second roadblock that's stopping you from achieving your goals, which is you're guessing what works.